my channel, Let's See It, and today we are going to do two unboxings in one. They are both the IPSY boxes. So this is the IPSY Glam Bag, that's $12 a month, and this is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. So let's get started. In this bag, it comes with this really pretty, very soft quilted makeup bag, which I think is beautiful and makes me not want to stop touching it because it's so soft. And the very first thing that I see is a makeup brush. I've had this smaller versions of this brush. It's the Beauty Crop brand, and it's the F203 powder brush. So it's very pretty, like a mermaid style, the pretty rainbow handle. It's fluffy. The bristles are not too bad. It's not like the world's best quality, but it's a pretty nice brush. Alright, and then the next thing that comes out of here is an eyeshadow. The Balm is the makeup brand. So it's just Va Va Vroom cream eyeshadow is supposed to be their special line. Can you see that? And then the inside of it is very pretty. It's interesting color. I don't know how well you can tell, but it's kind of a rose gold, but it's different because it has a bit of silvery gold flecks instead of just a gold. So then the other thing that we have here is a hand cream. It says Mercy Handy hand cream, and it's Hello Sunshine is the scent, I guess you could call it, or flavor. And ooh, it does have a really nice smell that it reminds you of being on the beach with kind of a coconut / shea butter kind of scent to it. Definitely gives you beach vibes. I like it a lot. So let's see how it feels as a hand cream. If it's greasy. No, it's not greasy at all. So it soaks in really quick. It's already gone and soaked into my skin. And it smells so good. So this would be really perfect size to just pop right into your purse. Next, we have from IT a sample of their primer. This one is their Your Skin But Better Primer, oil-free makeup gripping base and pore refiner and hydrator and all-day grip technology. Goodness, so this does like a lot of things all in one. So if you wear foundation and concealer and all that other stuff, this would be perfect to wear underneath it. Also, I found that these are perfect for just dabbing on your eyelids before you put your eyeshadow on, and it helps your eyeshadow have more staying power. This is the full size, well, I'm not sure if it's a full size product, but it's a lipstick, a matte lip paint, Colored Rain brand. I've never heard of them before. So here's the packaging. The color is like a real pretty pink nude. Would you call that a nude? No, that's not a nude. It's too dark. But it's like a really pretty, like brownish pink color. It's pretty. It says it's a matte lipstick, so a matte lip paint. So it'll be interesting to see how it dries, and I'll like follow up with you on that at the end of this. In every package with IPSY, you get a card here, and this theme is Feel the Love, which is perfect for February because of Valentine's Day. and it gives you prices on how much the things would cost if they were full size. I forgot to mention that this package, the small one, is the IPSY Glam Bag, and it's mostly all sample sizes, deluxe sample sizes, and occasionally they throw in a full size here and there. So this brush full size value is $13. The deluxe sample, it says this is the deluxe sample, and the full size would have been $17. And this lotion or hand cream would be, oh, it says this is a full size, but it's only $7, so that's understandable. And then the eyeshadow is a deluxe sample, and that the full size version of this product is $29.50. And then the primer, this is a deluxe sample, and the value of the full size version of this product is $39. So that was a really cool little package. I liked it. It was well rounded. So I got lipstick, eyeshadow, primer, hand lotion, and a full size brush. And then of course the cute little bag. So I thought that was a pretty decent little IPSY Glam bag. I'm curious to see if you guys got anything different or what your thoughts are on this. Do you think this is worth $12? Would you buy this for $12 a month? It's really not that much. Okay, so that was the first package. Now let's move on to the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So this one, like I said, is $25 a month, and it will have full-size products as well as deluxe products. And they usually seem to be a little bit higher quality than things that you would see in the Glam Bag. So here's the box. A little sneak peek. Okay. So the very first thing that caught my eye is this sheet mask, which I think these are really fun to use on the weekends to freshen up your skin a little bit. This one is from Sweet Chef and has kale and vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask. So that will be very fun to experiment with. Oh, we got several of them this time. Look at this. There's 3. And they're all from the same brand, from Sweet Chef. One says it's a beet and vitamin A fresh pressed sheet mask. It's supposed to refine pores and smooth your rough skin. I forgot to say the kale one was to hydrate and soothe dry skin. And then this one is a ginger and vitamin C sheet mask that's supposed to brighten dark spots and uneven tone. I have a eyeshadow palette here. So it's from Dominique Cosmetics. And you slide it open. It's not very large. It has like an interesting texture to it. And then on the inside is the palette, and it's really pretty. It's very soft colors, so they'll be perfect for like a nice soft look that is kind of natural looking. So this will be cool. Will be fun to experiment with. You always get a bag with the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, even though it comes in a box. No surprises here. We have a Wander product, which sometimes I'm kind of irritated that we get so many different things that are Wander, but I really can't complain because when you start using the Wander products, it makes total sense why they're in so many different subscription boxes, because they're really high quality and smooth and work good and last a long time. In fact, my brow pencil I'm wearing right now is a Wander brow pencil. This is a Wander Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I don't want to open this quite yet though, because I already have a foundation that I have open that I really like. So I might be sharing this with a friend. So we'll wait and see on that. Next I have this interesting package. It says it's Il Maquillage. Maybe I'm pronouncing that completely wrong. Il Maquillage. And it's made in Germany, and it's an ink liner. Interesting. So it is a black eyeliner with a really nice felt tip brush, which I like these kind of eyeliners because they have like a really thin, you can do like a really thin line, or you can do a very broad stroke, but just by pushing harder on it. And they give you like total control on how you want to do the lines. So these are really nice. I like these. I've never used this brand before though, so I'm curious to see how well it stays in place. So I'll try to, when it dries, I'll see how well it rubs off. I'll have one last package in here. It is very mysterious. I have honestly no idea what this is. So it says LaRousse, and it's like a paper package. Wow. Oh, this is exciting. It is brushes. Okay, so this one, it has an angled brush, so it's for like using shaping your face with bronzer or whatever. And it has like a really interesting textured handle. I think all of them are like that. This one, yeah, angle contour brush, the LR334. And honestly, these are really soft. Wow, I really like these brushes. Okay, next one. This one's got a little hair sticking up. Is a flat top brush. So this is a flat foundation brush. And you use it to like steeple in your brush like that, or your foundation like that. I've got 3 more brushes. So here we have a concealer brush. It's called a kabuki. I don't know what a kabuki is. Is that crazy? It's more like a stiffer kind of brush here, and I think it's used for your concealer to get into like the hard to reach places. Second to the last is a eyeshadow brush, and this is the LR110, and it's just like a smaller brush that you would want to use to put in the crease or outer edges of your shadow. And then this one is the tapered blending brush. So it's longer, softer, wispier, and this would be like perfect for blending your colors in so they diffuse out, like how I have mine diffused out here. So wow, that's neat. I truly was not expecting a full set of brushes. That is a cool surprise. So that is for $25. You get a full set of brushes, a full foundation, an liquid eyeliner pen, a mini palette with 6 eyeshadows, and 3 face sheet masks. So I think that is, wow, definitely worth the $25. Anyway, this was really fun and I had a great time with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of me opening 2 boxes in one. And I hope that if you like my video, you'll hit like and subscribe. Bye!